Hello, I'm Alex from Sembly AI, and today I'll show you how to push tasks, meeting notes or transcriptions from Sembly to Basecamp. First of all, you'll need to create your account in Basecamp. And now we go to the Sembly, click to My Automation and click Browse All Apps. Find Basecamp here. Click to Basecamp and click Connect. Now we will connect our Basecamp system with the Sembly, so yes, I'll allow access. After you're connected, click to New Automation. We can rename it. And in this first window, we can select, for example, the type of data which we want to push. In our case, it will be meeting notes. And click Done. The second one is the filter. So I'll choose the Apply to all meeting that I have access to. And click Done. Now we can click to complete. After you create your automation, all tasks, meeting notes and transcription that were detected in the meeting will be automatically sent to Basecamp. But you can also do it manually, and now I'll show you how to do this. Click to My Meetings, and we have, for example, meeting notes. Click to the flash and use this automation. Now we go to Basecamp and click to the home. We have my Sembly project, so go to this project, and in Docs and Files we have meeting notes. So we can click here, and this is the meeting notes from our meeting. Also we have the meeting links to this meeting.